Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Grubhub's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Grubhub's account, firstly open your Grubhub application. The home page of Grubhub application will appear on the screen. Tap on the account option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and tap on Manage Account. On the next page, you can see two options, that is manage data or delete account and don't sell my information. Click on the first option. Enter your email address and tap on verify my email. On the next page, under your delete your personal information, click on submit a request. A request of deletion of your Grubhub's account will be sent. This is how you can delete your Grubhub's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.